well in English with people from other countries, other cultures, different accents, you will have endless opportunities in life. And if you can speak, you can talk in public too. Your career will be advanced very fast. In this workshop, we'll be doing a lot of activities.
Allow me to walk you through our program today. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite our guest of honor on this.
On behalf of AEC Training Center.
Ladies and gentlemen, may you have your kind attention please. Our program will start shortly, so please find yourself a seat and we would appreciate it if you could kindly set your phone to silent mode. Thank you.
It's my privilege to welcome you to AEC Training Center's 3rd Annual Congress. We are truly delighted to have you here today.
Before we proceed further this morning, allow me to walk you through our program today.
Do you like what you did? Open house, open house.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are honored to stand before you today as we celebrate Teachers' Day in our school. To truly have the education possible. What a beautiful moment.
We are celebrating here today celebrating one of our greatest moments as we celebrate the world which God unites joy and poor in marriage.
I wish you happiness from now and forever.
1, 2, 3.
Allow me to first and foremost inform you of this morning's program.
Distinguished guests, faculty members, and most importantly, the graduating class of year 2023.
Good afternoon, our lovely students.
Emily, once again.
May we call our honor students to give a speech. Tonight, we have a New Year's party for Gen 1, 2, and 3.
So first, may I invite focus representative of Generation 1 on the stage, please.
Good evening, everyone.
We have come to the end of the year.
Please give a big hand for our friends.
Have a safe trip home to your training time. Goodbye and thank you.